Get to your yes quicker with Impression. Impression helps organizations digitally transform the process of setting up agreements with their customers, helping them save time and money. The Impression dashboard allows you to sign, send, and manage documents from one convenient place. Visit my.impression.cloud and log in. Once logged in, you can upload documents for you and others to sign, view documents that are required to sign, track documents that you have sent for signature, as well as view and download signed documents. Your company administrator will have enabled branding on your profile. To view the brand and go to Settings. From this page, you can also update your name and your saved signature profile. You can now start signing documents. To sign a document yourself, navigate to the New Signature page. Select the brand you would like to use and choose your document. The Impression dashboard supports multiple document formats such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and PDFs. Your document is secured and opened with Impression for you to sign. Add the signature blocks and fields that are required and click Accept. Your document will be securely signed with Impression. You can choose to download your signed document or return to the dashboard. You can view all documents that you are required to sign by visiting your inbox. This contains a list of all documents that others have sent to you via Impression, as well as documents you have uploaded to sign but have not yet completed. If you would like to send a document for someone else to sign, repeat the upload process and select Send for Signature. You are directed to our simple document designer. From here you can specify who needs to sign the document as well as additional document settings. You can choose to attach a chain of custody to your document. This details how the document was received, altered, and signed. For additional security, you can password protect the document. This requires signatories to unlock the document before they can view it. Add the required signatories and fill in their details. If you would like to send a custom message to your signatory, check the checkbox and type in your message. If signatories need to sign in a specific order, check the checkbox and drag and drop the signatories into the order you would like them to sign in. Once you are satisfied that all details are correct, you can send your document for signing. You are automatically taken to the Sent Documents page, where you can view and track all documents that are out for signature. Click the row to expand it. This shows you details about signatories and the latest event. Tracking the document shows you tracking details at a workflow and individual signature level. Clicking on a signatory shows a list of all events. As a signatory progresses through the signing process, events are updated. Click the Remind button to send a reminder to a signatory to sign the document. Once a document has been signed by all the signatories, the signed document is sent back to your email. You can also download a signed document by visiting the Signed Documents page. This contains a list of all signed, rejected, and expired documents. Here you can download or track signed documents. For more information, go to www.impression-signatures.com.